So me and Steven were like 7 years apart, right? But again, the love for music, we always used to have these like living room concerts, right?
Yeah.
So again, not for no professional intentions, for me anyway, you understand? So what we do, we mimic, like we'll pop in the Sunsplash VHS and we'll create our own setup. So we take like the board hangers, right? So we pull that apart and the board pieces would be the drumstick. The wire pieces now, that would be the hi-hat. You remember the little round tin cookies?
Yes, man.
That would be the snare.
Yeah.
Right? And the couch feel it. That'll go be the bass drum. We did have a tennis racket in the house. So you put a belt through it and a coin, guitar that. The broom or the map stick with the little roll and buckle that the microphone. Then we take a whole black t-shirt and cut it up. Yeah. Small pieces, tie it round, till natty. And so we just a mimic. When we sip on the VHS, where, you know what I mean, Bob Marley's or my father, or Dennis Brown, Gregory. But again, thinking back in hindsight now, that was probably, you know, the early stages of the interest, the real interest and the love. Not knowing it would lead to this.
Without apology, I beg you, try hold your heart if you're the one away.